Hi to all viewers. I would like to introduce this amazing new 3D printer for dental purpose. The Vittro 100 has been designed specially for the use in dental laboratories and dental offices. Swiss dental technicians, in conjunction with Korean scientists, developed this very accurate and reliable printer. Let's have an in-depth view on all the features of the Vittro 100. The printer has a durable, robust metal frame. To use minimal space, we have a very stylish cylindric design. The closing door on the printer has a UV protection and has a sliding mechanism to open it. Since many labs have a situation where dusty conditions can cause problems to the high-tech instruments that they are using, we have decided to build a protection filter to stop the collecting of dust on the lens. Most of the printers on the market don't have such a protection. This issue leads to dusty lenses that can reduce the quality of the light source and finally leads to misprints or bad prints. After opening the sliding door, you see the build platform that is very easy to remove, clean and place back in its position by just one big thumb screw. In case of any needed calibration, it is very easy to adjust the calibration with 3 screws. A very powerful and solid engine and high quality access allows us to build materials that have high separation forces. The resin tank was built in a way that you can easily remove the vat foil yourself. This helps save a lot of money, which gives you low maintenance costs compared to most of the 3D printers on the market. Some manufacturers even add the rift chip to the tank. This means you can only use their tanks, which increases your running cost for each print job. Many 3D printers on the market have to replace the whole resin tank. The projector underneath the resin tank is protected with a solid glass cover to prevent any resin dropping onto the projector. This feature also helps to protect the lens of collecting dust. The industrial projector that works in the 385 nanometer wavelength has high optic lens. Compared to many other systems that use plastic lenses, the glass lens prevents distortion and gives higher accuracy on your print job. On the front of the printer, you see the LCD display. The LCD control panel is controlled by the embedded computer with a large hard disk. The PC inside the printer allows the printer to connect either through a LAN cable, wireless or USB stick to your computer, where you do your designs. The advantage of having a PC in the printer is if you have a technical issue, a service engineer can always access your printer by example with TeamViewer and do any major support and updates online. Since this printer has been developed specially for dental use, the user interface shows all the necessary techniques you can select with the right settings for the type of techniques and materials you use. It is not necessary and binding to use only our resins. We give you the opportunity to use whatever 3D printing resins you want to use in the 385 nanometer range. In the control panel, you have the possibility to do the settings of third-party resins that companies recommend for printing. To get best results, we recommend to use Twinsmile resins that have been truly tested, giving you excellent results. It is important to know that the printer has no dongles or RFID chips. This helps save cost and you don't have to pay licensing fees for any print job. Our printer has a completely open infrastructure. We have also a built-in easy test mode where you can print small samples with the given dimensions to check the settings of your print job. We are using a very powerful software to prepare our models for printing. The software allows you to cut the model, to write text on the model, to hollow out the model, to extrude the model, to repair a model, to make a model solid, and even to add supports where needed. Last but not least, we can print models flat with no supports because the printer was developed for dental purpose. We get outstanding results and beautiful surfaces to our print cases. All these features of the printer gives us the possibility to print all the necessary techniques in the dental field. I would just like to mention a few of these techniques. First, printing dental models in variations like with removable dies, solid opposing models, implant models, models for retainers, models for aligners, and any other models you can imagine. Second, printing temporary crowns and bridges with the materials that is registered for in-mouth use in the shades A1, A2, A3. Third, printing Michigan splints with the material that has the necessary medical registration and strength for in-mouth use. Fourth, implant positioning guides. Fifth, bracket positioning guides for orthodontists. Sixth, custom impression trays. Seventh, castable and pressable materials for bridges, crowns, and partial frameworks. Eighth, producing Twinsmile testineers to determine the right smile of the patient. Ninth, printing pink tissue materials for the models, including models with the right shade to the dies so you can check the true color of your finished crown before delivering to the dentist. And last but not least, producing denture base with the beautiful pink colored material. Please keep in mind, all these materials are printed with the Twinsmile resin in the 385 nanometer light range. Only this light range guarantees you no color changes like other printing materials in the 405 nanometer range. Nowadays, in dental labs, it is important to produce all your dental work economically, accurately, and fast. We are very happy that the Vittro 100 fulfills these needs and gives us a long time security to your investment in this new technology. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity. Let's grow your business together. Let's get started with the Vittro Twinsmile 100.